All right, so we are in the final stretch here before we render this dashboard and self-service experience within your app. But before we do that, let's add a few more visuals to our dashboard. So let's fire up our chat assistant, and then we can say maybe just generate top 3 insights from the data set. Now let's see what happens. We get a message here. Could you please provide more details about the data set or specify the table you're referring to? So what this means is your chat assistant by default do not have permission to access the data set. You have to explicitly enable the access. And the way you can do that is when you edit the dashboard, you're going to see the settings option here, which says add context. When you click on that, you can select the semantic domain you want to provide access to. So in this example, we want to provide access to sales analytics domain and all the data sets underneath it. We currently have only one data set, but you can selectively pick the data sets that you want the assistant to be able to refer to. So we're going to add that as the context, and then we're going to save this dashboard. Now, next time when we load it, see what happens. This time when we ask for show me the top 3 insights, it knows that it can access sales data, and then it can provide us the insights from that data set. You can also use this add entity to be able to see what different data sets this chat assistant has access to. And now we have the top 3 insights, categories by sales, top regions by profit, top 3 subcategories by quantity sold. These all look good. We can simply add these insights to our dashboard here. They're all bar charts, so maybe let's organize this a little better. All right, so I just made a few cosmetic changes. I changed the chart type from bar chart to pie chart. I added some labels to our top 3 regions by profit. Now this looks like a representative dashboard we can render inside of our app. Now, so far this dashboard is owned by the organization user, in this case me, who is creating the dashboard. How do we make sure all the tenants and their users have access to this dashboard? The way you can do that is you come to the manage and share, and you can see we have a demo dashboard we are working off of. You can click on the ellipsis menu and you can share. At this point, I as the org user have an option to share with my organization users, or I can also share this with the tenant users. And that's exactly what we want to do. We want to be able to have this dashboard accessible to our tenant user. So we're going to pick tenant user, and then within the tenant users, I have 3 different categories. I can share with all of my tenants, I can share it with a specific tenant, or I can share with a specific user within a specific tenant. So in this instance, we're just going to share this dashboard with all the tenants with a viewer access. Now, once we share this with all tenants, they can now access the dashboard inside of your application.